there, it's Kelly from Kelly Lee Creates, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to weed vinyl. So you're going to need to weed vinyl with any project that involves cut files. And so weeding vinyl is just removing the excess vinyl from your design and removing the vinyl from the negative space in your design. So in order to weed your vinyl, you will need obviously a cut file and you will need a tool. I use this weeding tool from Cricut, but you can also use a straight pin or whatever works for you. Now, one tip that I have before you start to weed your vinyl, this is a tip actually when you are making your cut file in your Silhouette or your Cricut program. Make sure to place a box around your design like I did here, because when you do that, it makes it easier to start weeding. When you place a box around it, you can start weeding from the corner instead of, if you don't place a box around it, you're gonna have to start your weeding from, the corner like this, and it's just not, it's not very easy. So I always place a box around my design for that reason. So this is the design that we're going to be weeding today, and I have another one right down here. So all we're going to do is start in the corner. I like to start in the upper left-hand corner, but whatever works for you. If you want to start here or maybe from the bottom, I like to start in the upper left and just kind of go across and down. So you just pick up your vinyl like so. Oops. And it helps if you have your vinyl on your mat. It makes it a little less flimsy. So you pick up your vinyl and then you just carefully pull it away from your design. Now, one tip I do have for you is when you're pulling your vinyl away, you don't want this vinyl to kind of fall back on itself and get stuck on your design and, pull up your design or mess anything up like that. And so what I do is once I get some of the vinyl removed, I will take a pair of scissors and I will cut off the vinyl like so. With smaller designs, this isn't really an issue, but if you have a really big, intricate design that is going to take a while to weed, this applies more to those types of designs. So I'm just going to pull the vinyl up like so. And then the only other thing you have to do is weed out these areas right here with the little loops and the letters, or, the areas in your design. And sometimes if you use tweezers in these areas, it helps to pick up. If you have really tiny pieces, you just start it with the weeding tool and you can pick it up with a tweezer. So there you go. That's how you weed vinyl. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and you can find more tutorials on my blog at kellyleecreates.com. Thanks for watching.